The Broad Institute's mission is to propel the understanding and treatment of disease.
The Broad is an institution who's trying to take cutting-edge genomics and improve human health. It tries to bridge academic investigators with professional scientists and say, how can we do science better? How can we learn more to benefit patients?
We're not strictly academic, yet we're not strictly biotech. So we kind of fit somewhere in between.
The Broad is more than the buildings, and it's more than the science. It's actually the community of the investigators. It is the community of people dedicated to trying to understand the major problems in biology before us. Having 5 world-leading hospitals working together with 2 world-leading academic institutions, that's special.
A really critical concept of the Broad's work and its culture is that scientists should work together to solve really important problems. Pretty much nothing else should matter.
The Broad has the unique capabilities of cultivating the tools in genomic analysis, genomic data generation, and gene editing technologies. And that allows folks who are thinking about a wide variety of problems related to human health to really synergize and work together and learn from each other.
That is the beauty of the Broad, is this channel of people interacting with each other across geographies, across disciplines. I mean, it's pretty amazing.
Using the genetics to figure out how to treat the disease, potentially to figure out how to prevent the disease, really speaks to the Broad's larger mission of, taking the human genome and figuring out how do we improve human health and improve human lives.
We study cancer, we study diabetes, we study infectious diseases, and conditions that affect mental health. We study rare genetic disorders that affect only a few people around the world, and we study common diseases like heart disease and kidney disease that affect millions.
We work on developing technologies that allow us to perturb cells, to modify genes, to edit DNA in cells that cause disease, to turn some of those observations into actionable therapeutic strategies.
Being in a place where what I'm doing fits into this broader picture is really energizing. It leads to collaborations that shift how I think about things in a way that makes me do it better.
It's amazing to do the science, to do the research, to get the papers, to get, to kind of move science forward. But the real payoff is when it has an impact.
We have all the tools and resources available to us, so now we must work hard in service of patients out there who are waiting for us to transform this revolutionary scientific experiment into treatments for all diseases.
That's the goal of everything, is to work on projects which will have a huge impact on the lives of patients and their family.
I think part of what makes the Broad special is that we're continually coming together as a community to reshape ourselves to take on whatever the greatest challenges are, all in a nonprofit context.
10, 20, 50 years from now, if there's a different way to do science, I hope we're doing it that way. Because at the end of the day, it's not even about the model. It's not even about what Broad is. It's about how do we do science in a way that impacts patients. Because together we can.